World champion Giants begin the second half of the season in Arizona. Top 7, the Giants trail 5-3 when Hunter Pence goes the other way off Enrique Burgos for a 2-run home run that ties the game at 5. We would have extras. Let's jump to the 12th now. Ryan Vogelsong, the pitcher, is batting with 2 on and 1 down. He lays down the bunt against Randall Delgado. It's a beauty. Everyone's safe and the bases are loaded. The next batter up is Angel Pagan. Pagan will bounce one to shortstop, and Cliff Pennington makes a bad throw home. The ball gets away. Brandon Crawford scores on the E6. It's 6-5 San Francisco. Bottom 12 now. Vogelsong trying to finish it on the mound. He's the 10th Giants pitcher of the game with 2 on and 2 down. Chris Owings grounds into a game-ending force out. The Giants survive 6-5 in 12. The Giants have now won 4 straight, while the D-backs have lost 4 in a row, but they do sign number 1 overall pick Dansby Swanson before Friday's signing deadline. This series continues Saturday with Jake Peavy on the hill for the Giants and Chase Anderson going for Arizona.